welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sky and this is my channel Ispyskysky. Welcome back. It's your girl Sky. I'm back. I'm good. I'm better. And yeah, so what's good, y'all? Today I'm just gonna do a simple eyebrow tutorial because I'm just excuse me. I just have great brows in my opinion. And I use the most simple products ever in like 3 brushes, and it's really simple. So pretty much just an easy eyebrow tutorial on how to get your brows like popping, just banging, like amazing. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell icon so you never miss any of my posts. I'm gonna try to post once a week, probably Friday or Saturday or sometime of the end of the week, because I am starting college soon, but I do want to do YouTube for real this time. So yeah, it's nice seeing y'all again. So let's get right into this tutorial. So the first thing I do is I brush, and I'm using e.l.f. It's kind of disgusting, but I'm using e.l.f. So yeah. So let's start. I'm looking at my mirror down here, so after I use this pomade, I think it's pomade. Well, it's it's brow powder. Okay, it's brow powder. I can't speak today. It is not on this one, but I know it's the color brown, and it's kind of like I'm kind of gonna do like an ombre brow, but I put this in the front of my brows. Okay, then after that, I just use like eyeshadows, nothing big, or you can use brow powder, but I use black on my ends and lighter on my front so it looks nicer. And okay, so I did the black and now the brown, and now I'm gonna use L.A.'s Truly Matte in the color Cappuccino. The sticker, oh here it is, in the color Cappuccino. I don't know if you can see it, Truly Matte, and I'm gonna use that to pretty much conceal my brows. But even though this is not concealer, but it is a lighter color than my skin tone, and I have to blend it out, you know. And sometimes I do fill in where I think is lacking, where it's missing, just so my brows look nice all the time. And then I blend with my finger because yeah, best blend. Last but not least, my last step that I usually do, I do foundation all around so it can just blend with my skin down here. I'm gonna use the L.A Color Liquid makeup. It's in the color Cappuccino. This is my skin tone. The matte one is not mine. It's lighter, really light on me. So I just use the back of it, and I drop some. So that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's really easy, really simple, nothing too big or so many products. It's just really simple and it's really cheap, and my brows look nice, especially for me wearing glasses. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and use the bell because I'm gonna be posting more. Do you really want to miss this? No, I'm just playing. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I see you guys next time. This was Ispyskysky, and I see you later.